Hello guys, today we discuss on the 10 things in Samsung Note 20 Ultra. So let's go for first thing. First thing is that it is the most powerful Android phone in India. Second thing is that it is the most expensive Android phone in India at the cost of 1,04,999 rupees. Samsung claims in Note 20 Ultra 5G that comes with strongest Gorilla Glass ever used in any phone. Fourth thing is that S Pen of Note 10 is now IP68 in Note 20 Ultra and it is with dust and water resistant just like the phone means it is water and dust resistant. Next thing in this phone is its 4500 mAh battery. Because of this battery, users want to charge mobile on daily basis. Sixth thing of this phone is its DeX support. Users can convert this phone monitor in a separate PC. Next thing in this smartphone is Samsung uses own processor Exynos 990 in the variant of India and use Qualcomm processors in other countries, and it is very wrong thing. Next thing of this phone is its 108 megapixel camera with 8K recording support, and it is very nice function of this mobile phone and users want to use this function. Next thing of this smartphone is that Note 20 Ultra 5G allow users to use Bluetooth mic while recording videos, and it is very nice thing for the YouTuber, but it is not allowed and not supported to every year. Next and last thing of this mobile phone it is there is a no 3.5mm jack in this Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G phone. Hey guys, if you like this video, like, share, subscribe this video and fill out the video code. Thank you so much.